Blue Sky Investing, we use incisive and methodical analysis to provide you with insights and perspective for your investing journey. On April 21, robotic process automation software company UiPath IPO'd on the US stock exchanges with shares priced at $56 and the stock climbed 23% and closed at $69 by end of the trading day. The ticker symbol for this stock is PATH, P-A-T-H, and it is available on popular brokerage apps like Robinhood. UiPath is a leading enterprise automation software company that helps organizations efficiently automate business processes. What is robotic process automation or RPA? RPA is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage software robots that emulate human actions interacting with digital systems and software. Just like people, software robots can do things like understand what's on a screen, complete the right keystrokes, navigate systems, identify and extract data, and perform a wide range of defined actions. But software robots can do it faster and more consistently than people without the need to get up and stretch or take a coffee break. RPA helps automate manual repetitive tasks. UiPath's end-to-end automation platform enables customers to discover what to automate, build, manage, and run robots, and engage, measure, and govern users. UiPath robots have the capability to see, think, and act. Example of robotic process automation. UiPath RPA can help a hiring manager to automate the repetitive tasks like download the resume from a website, manually review and filter candidates for the interview round. UiPath claims that the RPA addressable market opportunity is worth $60 billion. UiPath's customer list is impressive, consisting of 63% of the Fortune 500 companies. 8 out of 10 Fortune 10 companies are UiPath customers. The customers are spread across different industry sectors and consist of companies like AAA, Bank of America, CVS Health, Adobe, Autodesk, CrowdStrike, Chipotle, and many others. UiPath's financial metrics are impressive. ARR growth at 65%. Dollar-based net retention rate is 145%, which means existing customers are increasingly signing up for more UiPath products once they sign up for one product. UiPath has almost 8,000 customers, out of which 1,000 plus customers bring in $100,000 or more. Gross margins are at 95%. Key highlight here, between 2019 and 2021, UiPath's customers who bring in $100,000 or more 3x'd from 305 to 1,002, and customers who bring $1 million or more 4x'd from 21 to 89. Phew. UiPath is definitely on a roll as far as business performance is concerned. Both Gartner and Forrester rank UiPath as number 1 ahead of all other companies in the area of robotic process automation, even ahead of software behemoths like Microsoft. Verdict: UiPath IPO looks like a fantastic long-term investment opportunity. But what is this little known tech that could kill UiPath's long-term growth story? Let us first anchor on some grounding investment principles. What makes for a compelling long-term investment? 3 things. A business enterprise that is a killer value proposition, has a significantly large growth runway due to a large total addressable market that gives it tons of room to scale by getting more and more customers to sign up for its products. Finally, the ability to execute. Let us look at a popular example, Netflix. Netflix hits it out of the park for all 3 criteria. It has a killer value proposition in the form of streaming digital content. Its addressable market is probably the entire planet's population with an internet connection and a device with a screen. It has shown tremendous ability to execute, as can be seen by the 200 million plus paid subscribers it has today. Netflix went public on May 23, 2002, and an investment of roughly $1,000 on Netflix IPO would have grown to over $340,000 after stock splits. That's a gain of 34,340% over almost 18 years. What a blockbuster performance for anyone who invested in Netflix early on. Now, is UiPath a good investment when assessed based on these criteria? It is evident that UiPath has a solid value proposition and has also demonstrated a superior ability to execute. However, at $60 billion addressable market, does UiPath have significant scaling potential? Let us first understand the full spectrum of automation technologies. For any business enterprise, there are two key stakeholder groups: customers and employees. UiPath targets automation for enterprise employees. What technology then drives automation on the customer side? What has greater scaling potential for automation? Customer side automation or employee side automation? Does an enterprise usually have more employees or more customers? Verdict: when compared to companies that focus on customer side automation technologies, UiPath has lower room to scale since employee population in most cases is significantly lesser than customer population of a company. Now, the tech powering customer side automation is conversational AI. A promising company in this space is LivePerson. What is conversational AI? Conversational AI powers digital voice assistants like Apple's Siri, chatbots, or virtual assistants, and the IVR, which is the automated voice agent you may have engaged with on a customer service phone line. The tech company Lemonade uses a conversational AI chatbot Maya to sell insurance policies and to process claims in just few minutes. LivePerson claims that the addressable market for conversational AI is $200 billion, which easily dwarfs the $60 billion addressable market for UiPath's RPA technology. Now, why will conversational AI kill UiPath's RPA technology? Let us understand. Conversational AI enables customers to self-serve their needs via automation technologies like chatbots and virtual assistants. Let us consider one example. Customers today many times will email their driver's license to a company for KYC purposes, and a customer service agent in the company manually downloads the document and then uploads it to the company's customer profile system. This is the target segment for UiPath's RPA technology, where RPA would automate this manual task performed by the customer service agent. In the future, using conversational AI, the customer will be assisted by a conversational AI chatbot housed in the company website or mobile app to self-upload the driver's license to the company's customer profile system. Thus, over time, conversational AI will take the share of customer targeted automation from UiPath, thus diminishing the value UiPath offers to its customers. Final verdict: is UiPath a good long-term investment? Yes. However, companies that adopt conversational AI technology in their value proposition will grow more and faster in the long run. Full disclosure: I do not have any position in UiPath stock. This is not financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor for your investment decisions. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to my channel and please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I wish you happy and safe investing.